Hello guys, this is the KDF channel, and I want to show you a little project I have right now. This is my new SCION FR-S, which I'm loving right now. It's amazing, and I just installed the head unit. This is a 10 inches Android unit I just bought on eBay. It was easy to install and it fits amazing. It doesn't mess with the air bands and it's pretty fast. It has 2 gigs of RAM. It's using Android 9.1. Basically it fits with the old brackets. I use the old brackets, the ones that comes here, so I change it to this one. If you guys want, I can make another video on how to install it, but it's pretty easy because the screen is removable from the back, and once you install the head unit, then you install the screen that looks like a tablet. I got a lot of people asking me how I did it, and it was pretty easy, to be honest, and it looks awesome. It's quick, and that's it, guys. Let me know if you like it. I'll leave at the description, I'll leave where I bought it on eBay, and also the set of connections you need. But there you go. I'll try to keep posting more videos about the FR-S. So guys, let me know in the comment sections if you like it. Also, please subscribe.